And this is our new phone. This is my friend's house phone. I can't remember what I was gonna say. Sorry. But then this is the phone that I have, and I will introduce you to the cell phone. And this is the new Snaky cell phone. This is the new Nokia cell phone. This is the new Sonic Sushi. And whatever, I can't say it, but it takes pictures. This one has pictures on it. This one has a cool game on it. And so we have a new cat.
For sale.
Cat.
You gotta announce we're having a special sale.
And we're also having a special sale. We have a football. This says Tigers. If you guys are interested in footballs, come to Walmart.
Let's go to the
And we have new chairs. We have a new teddy bear blanket, which is there's more stuff on the back, and it is so comfortable. I can just fall asleep right now. Well, we'll introduce you to some stuff later on, but I have to go now, so bye-bye.